Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our school's meeting with Speaker. I am Diya Chaudhary and here today's meeting for August 7, 2025. Let's begin with the national news. Today's national news. Chowpatting credit structure demonized in Kanchapur. Authorities demonized 39 natural hearts in Kanchapur as a part of a campaign against the harmful and discriminatory practice of the Chowpatting. Permit fees back for a 97 remote speed. To boost tourism, Nepal has announced a 2-year waiver of a permit fees for a 97 remotes. Himalayan peaks in Karnataka and Superachip. Encouraging climber to explore regional areas. International news. Starvation in Gaza and our global sales. Under international law, the use of starvation as a weapon of war is strictly prohibited by internationally withholding food and other basic socialists by flaring evidence of a widespread harm and memories within Gaza. Israel has taken its war well into the realm of community. Sports news. Cricket matches in Australia. Nepal national cricket team is headed to Australia to play five practice matches against team from the Australian capital territory. And South Australia will play five practice matches. This is part of their preparation for the upcoming Men's T20 World Cup qualifiers. Weather report. Today's weather in Blackbird is mostly sunny with a few clouds. The maximum temperature is expected to be around 28 degrees Celsius and the minimum around 80 degrees Celsius. There is a slight chance of rain in the late evening, so don't forget to get ready now. That's all for today's news. Thank you for listening. Stay informed, stay safe, and have a wonderful day.